Aloha lover, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today for our Samoan phrases, we are learning about Samoan phrases to do with pets. Enjoy! So our first Samoan phrase to do with pets is E iai lau pusi. E iai lau pusi. I have a cat. Our next Samoan phrase to do with pets is E tau wheai le maile. E tau wheai le maile. The dog bites. Beware. So today our Samoan phrases video is brought to you by Measina Clothing, where our clothing and gift range are all featuring Samoan designs, words, and are made by Samoans from around the world. So today I'm wearing a Manulua t-shirt. It also comes in hoodie, or I think it is a sweatshirt. Check the link down below for how you can purchase Samoan designed clothing and gifts from Measina Treasures of Samoa. Back to Samoan phrases. Our next Samoan phrase that has to do with pets is O te whewhe I le ngata. O te whewhe I le ngata. I am scared of the snake. Our next Samoan phrase that has to do with pets is O laui a lea o nimo. O laui a lea o nimo. This is my fish, Nemo. Thank you so much for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to continue learning Samoan phrases from us, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell. To make sure that you are listening to our video, please tell us in the comments, what is a maile? What is a maile? A maile in English is a what? Please tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for joining us here, and tofa soifua.